Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back here. Right, in this video on YouTube here, I would like to wish everyone a happy weekend. And today is Friday, right? And we are going to trade carefully to secure the profits from Monday to Thursday, as of yesterday, am I right? Okay, yesterday our final last currency to take our profit is pound dollar. So yes, that's right. So yeah, so today we are going to secure it. Okay, so we'll try to secure this, and of course we are going to enjoy the weekend with the profits for this week. Okay, and of course today we still have to go with our plan. Okay, all right, so yeah, that's right. So we are going to start soon. So for those people who have actually just dropped by in this video, remember to click on the link to enter into my YouTube if you have not yet. Okay, and click the like button to appreciate the effort for making up this video, and also to subscribe to the YouTube channel and also ring up the bell for notification. Okay, all right, thank you so much guys, and we shall begin. Right, so first and foremost over here we are going to take a look at Aussie CAD. Let's take a look at Aussie CAD over here. Well, Aussie CAD, we are looking out for the trend that we are in the selling trend. However, today this selling trend is actually going off as in a retracement. So basically this retracement right now, okay, it is actually going to retrace to test the resistance before it can start to sell. So tentatively for Aussie CAD, I'm not going to touch this. All right, so I'm going to skip this. All right, so Aussie franc over here, yes, coming down as a selling. However, today same thing, we are still on the support. We are still building out a support today. So very likely I'm not going to touch this, okay, for Aussie franc, because I want to make sure it has a selling signal that is clear enough for me to see. All right, okay, so let's go. Aussie yen. All right, let's take a look at Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen over here. Aussie yen, it looks like it's coming for a selling right now. Okay, the trend is coming for selling. However, now we are on the support. Okay, right now I'm looking for a selling, but we are on the support. So tentatively, what we are looking out for is to look out for Aussie yen to break the support with a new retracement to retest the support level as a resistance. Then we will start to sell. Okay, then we will start selling. All right. Okay, so that's something that I'm looking out for. Okay, so yes, that's right. Okay, so right now, okay, we are now coming together with this. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this right now, we are now on the selling side. So tentatively it's still doing quite good. And will we actually have a chance to actually grab the profit from Aussie yen? I would say yes. Okay, but we just, like I said just now, okay, we will need to wait for the breaking of the support. Okay, the breaking of the support, so that we can start selling over here. Right, okay, so yeah, that's right. So over at this point here, then we are tentatively looking out for a selling here. Yes, since that's the case, okay, the selling is there, then probably we are going to take a look at something else, like example Aussie Kiwi. Okay, am I going to put this into my list? Yes, I'm going to put this Aussie yen into my list after we can start to trade after it breaks the support. Okay, all right, Aussie yen. Okay, for Aussie Kiwi, let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. All right, Aussie Kiwi over here. Yes, Aussie Kiwi. Then right now, what we are looking out for Aussie Kiwi, we have a retracing downwards. Okay, so will there be a chance to sell for Aussie Kiwi? Right, so Aussie Kiwi, we do have a chance to sell. Okay, however, today is after hitting on, and this morning, as you can see, it started to hit on, it went back, and now coming back here. So tentatively, I would say that the support is actually about 10 pips away, 10 over pips, about 13 pips away. So quite small to start selling now. Okay, so basically, I would say that no, okay, for selling for Aussie Kiwi. All right. Okay, because Aussie Kiwi now is actually is in the transition, turning down, going to turn down, but we have not confirmed yet. So tentatively, I'm not going to touch this. All right, how about Aussie dollar? Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Right, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar over here. Okay, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, we are looking out for selling. All right, yesterday we have selling for the Aussie dollar. Am I right? So okay, over here and right now what we are looking at is that Aussie dollar we have a selling, but today is a retracement, coming with a retracement now. Okay, so with a retracement over here, support price, a support level. Right, this is a support level over here. Okay, so what is next now? Next, we are looking for a resistance. So as we can see, this part here, we are actually going down as a trending market breaking out of these supports here. So by looking at this, the resistance is still standing up there, no change. So quite big of a gap, and so I'll be waiting for this Aussie dollar to break the support. Okay, Aussie dollar to break the support first. Okay, after it breaks the support, forming a new resistance below, then I will continue the trading. Okay, so today we can still look at Aussie dollar. All right. So yeah, Aussie dollar, it has right now we are back to selling. Okay, so still promising, still very good. Okay, so how about Euro Aussie? Euro Aussie, one look we can tell is into the bull. So tentatively right now, buying is possible, selling is no. Okay, so buyers, you can take a look at the Euro Aussie. Okay, what about EURCAT? Right, EURCAT over here. EURCAT, as we can see right now, is going on the bull. So no for selling, definitely. Okay, so I'm going to wait for it to pass through. Okay, then we will see what can we do. All right. So buying is possible, no for selling. Well, Euro yen, we are seems like it's steaming off. Okay, so now it's coming back for a selling. Will this be the beginning of the cycle? Okay, that's we will see. This is tentatively doesn't have any indication yet, but selling is coming. Okay, the selling signal is coming here. So basically, we are looking for selling. So I'm going to plot out the resistance, which is right now. Okay, resistance right now. Okay, so we have a support here, which is almost about 80 pips. 80. Okay, it's about 80 pips. All right. Okay, so let me have a drink. All right. So Euro yen looks pretty good. Okay, so just wait for it to, I guess, tentatively right now. Okay, tentatively right now, I'm looking out for a new selling cycle. Example like this, a green and red candle, right on the resistance here to start selling. We have a space of 110 for Euro yen. Okay, so Euro yen looks very promising. Okay, so we can take a look at the Euro yen to sell. Okay. Well, what's next here? And Euro Kiwi. So Euro Kiwi over here, Euro Kiwi, we are on the buy side. So the bull is running. So no for selling. All right. So Euro dollar. Let's take a look. Euro dollar. After the testing, it came down, and now today we are having a retracement. So we are having a retracement right now. But is this retracement good? I would say yes. Okay. Why is that so? It's because we have a support level at this point, and this support has become a resistance. So I'm going to move this down slightly over here, and resistance will be here. Okay, so now Euro dollar, we are having a retracement right now to test the previous support as a resistance. Well, now it's testing. So I will say that there will be a good chance that we are going to sell. So euro dollar, just take note, okay? Okay, so next to go, right? Pound Aussie, Pound Aussie. So Pound Aussie over here, okay, we are looking out for a buying. So right now, although we are still in the selling, okay, we are still in the bear, all right? So here, over here, okay, on the left side, we are in the bear. We went down, touches the bull zone, and you start to retrace, retesting the bull zone once again, and retracing and downwards to test the bull zone once again. So in this case, now in the bull zone, it started to open up and started to move on top of the bull zone. Is it a sign to buy? I would say that tentatively it looks like, but it's not yet. Okay, it's not yet. All right, so that means to say we are still in the bear. Okay, so probably, right? So tentatively, by looking at this, the price here, okay, I would say that the resistance here is quite good. Okay, and let's look at this. Let's wait for H1. Okay, H1 is now testing for quite a long while of this resistance. So euro dollar, pound Aussie, okay, it looks like now currently it's still good to sell. Okay, it looks like it's still good to sell. So pound Aussie over here, we are actually looking for selling at this point. And where is the support level? Let me check where's the support level. Check, okay. Over here. Okay, so right now, for Pound Aussie, I want to wait for it to break the support first before I take action. Okay, so that is one. All right, next to go, Pound CAD. Let's take a look at Pound CAD. Pound CAD, no. Pound Aussie, no. But Pound CAD also, no. Pound CAD is still moving towards the bull. So tentatively, no for Pound CAD. Okay, so let's leave Pound CAD alone. Right, so how about Pound Franc? Pound Franc, once again, we come back to this currency pair where you see up and down, ups and down, okay, along this area, and it doesn't seem like it's breaking anywhere. So tentatively, I'm not going to touch this for selling. Okay, I think probably it may hover around or even go higher. Okay, so I'm going to skip this. How about pound dollar? Sorry, pound yen. Okay, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen, right now we have tested on this zone here to the rejections here. Retracing downwards, okay, it looks pretty good, this retracement. Okay, so are we looking out for a selling? Yeah, I will say yes. Okay, this is a very strong selling. Okay, so now let's take a look. Pound yen, it looks like we have a chance. Okay, so probably we are H1. I still need somewhere here, somewhere around here for the resistance, so that when we short, we can have the cover. Okay, we have a cover of 87 pips. Okay, 87 pips. So I would say that tentatively, by looking at this, I would still say that it is still quite good. Okay, it's still quite good. So probably we can pay attention to this pound yen. Okay, but once it set up the support, and that means to say it will start to go up long. Okay, so just pay attention to this pound yen as well. We will have a good chance. Okay, so yep, pound yen. Okay, that's for pound yen. All right, so next to go. Okay, we are going to look out for this. Right, I'm going to look out for pound yen. After pound yen. Okay, and pound kiwi. Okay, pound kiwi. Right, let's take a look at pound kiwi. Okay, pound kiwi right now, actually what we are looking out for. Hi CK, ni hao. Okay, so over here, pound Kiwi, I will be looking out for a buy. Okay, so tentatively at this point, okay, it may come out here to retest the resistance as a support to continue the buying. Okay, so this is the part here, okay, where we actually see, okay, the change of the trend here. So very likely the bull is coming in, so we're going to stay away. Okay, so how about pound dollar? Pound dollar, okay, pound dollar. All right, pound dollar over here, determine the trend first. Pound dollar, we are actually now having downward trend, having a retracement, now forming up this way as a higher support, a higher low. Okay, so a higher lows over here. As you can see, a higher lows over here. Now we are actually hitting on the support. It seems like this support is not breaking, and we are still moving towards the north. We are moving towards the resistance right now. Okay, so pound dollar, okay, in terms of the trend, it's actually looking good, provided it must break this zone. It must break the zone here, then it will have a good profitable space. If not, then we will be trading around this resistance to the support, which is about 70 pips. Okay, so since that's the case, okay, so pound dollar, we can wait, but I guess most very likely is going to be in the second half of the day. Second half. All right, so pound dollar, okay, we will wait for it to retrace upward first. Then after that, we will start to sell after the first session, which is the second half of the day. All right, okay, so dollar CAD. How about dollar CAD? Okay, dollar CAD over here. Dollar CAD in as a whole, okay, dollar CAD, we are previously we are actually wanting target at this area, but after that it came in for about 30 over pips, and after that it started to retrace upwards. However, are we still in the bear or in the bull? We are still in the bear. Okay, we are still in the bear. So yesterday got no chance, right? So today we may have a chance to sell. So like over here, okay, and I'm going to plot this up here. Okay, so probably you may see something here. No. Okay, tentatively by looking at this, okay, I will say that I'm going to leave dollar CAD out first. Okay, I'm going to leave this out. Why am I going to leave this out? Is because, okay, it seems like we still have a long way to go for buying. So buyers can take note, all right? Buyers can take note. Unless, okay, unless we have a chance that this previous resistance, okay, this previous resistance area, okay, it can come down and start testing on this and break back into the resistance. And with a new selling cycle in H1, example, retest then come down, or a retesting showing you the new cycle to sell, then okay, then we will continue the selling. Okay, that's for dollar CAD. Okay, so yep, dollar CAD. Okay, so dollar CAD still testing on the resistance to become a support, so I'm not going to touch this. Okay, dollar franc. What about dollar franc? All right, dollar franc over here. Let's take a look at the day chart over here. Dollar franc now is on the verge of still going up, but it seems like it's turning down with some resistance over there. Okay, so dollar franc today, what we are looking at is still in the bear trend over this area. Okay, let's say this one, but of course this area is supposed to look like a bull. Am I right? It's supposed to look like a bull. So over at this point here right now, I cannot trade because I need to wait for the confirmation. I need to wait for a confirmation before I start trading on dollar franc. Okay, all right, so dollar franc over here, tentatively, even for such a situation now, okay, the resistance is actually pretty near. Okay, pretty near. So for dollar franc over here, the selling is possible when the H1 comes back here to retest the resistance and not breaking, and probably we have another 40 pips to go. Okay, so dollar franc, something that we can pay attention to today. Okay, I'm gonna put this dollar franc into my watch list. Okay. Okay, next to go. Dollar yen. Dollar yen. Alright, dollar yen over here. Okay, let's take a look at dollar yen. Dollar yen yesterday has a pullback, okay, which is pretty good. And over here is as pulling down. After that, on the second half, it started to retest. Right, it started to retest. So after retesting, do you think it's good? Okay, let's take a look. In H4, I'm going to look out for a resistance level over here. Okay, so right now the support is a little bit slightly lower. And will it break the support? If dollar yen break the support, okay, in H1 the new cycle, it forms up a new pullback that tests the support as a resistance. So after that, then we will see that the dollar yen, we may have a good chance to continue the selling. Okay, all right. So yeah, that is for dollar yen. I'm going to put dollar yen into my watch list after so long. Finally, I see dollar yen in my watch list. Okay. Yeah. So over here right now, okay. For dollar yen, I will have a good chance. Okay, so right here, let's see. Okay, then Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. Well, yesterday I think we have a news. Okay, for this Terra, the UST on the stable coin over here. I think is starting to work on something. They are starting to work on something to boost the cryptocurrency. Okay, so tentatively, I will say that we are now looking out for a buy. Okay, but over here, as you can see, over here, these are all consolidation. So and this stage over here, it may go either way. So I will prefer to wait. Okay, guys, those who are on the crypto, okay, I will suggest you to stay put and waiting for a buy signal. Then we will start to buy. Okay, watch the news over these 2 days. Okay, very likely will be tomorrow morning. Okay, no, tonight, which is yeah, okay, morning, yeah. Okay, so there will be a good chance that we may know that the Bitcoin where it will be going. Okay, Alan can talk about gold. Gold trading over here. All right. Okay, so go over here. Let's take a look at this gold price here. Okay, so tentatively go over here. We are actually looking out for a trend first. Okay, look out for a trend first. So the trend is going on the retesting of selling. Okay, retesting of the support. So selling is highly possible. All right, it's highly possible over here. So for gold trading over here, and we are going to look out for selling over at this point. It's already starting to sell. And we are actually going to set up a support over. All right, over here. Okay. Yes, it will be over here. So right now, if you are looking at this goal, okay, over here, and I would say that in general, we are looking for a retesting. Okay, we are looking for a selling of retesting. So that means I'm going to short. Okay, gold price, I'm going to short it. All right. So I'm going to sell this gold. All right. But the support is actually pretty near over here. So tentatively, by looking at this, we have one price here. So gold, I think this is the limited space that we have about 535. All right, 535. So 535 to meet about 1830. Okay, 1830. I think that is still pretty. 1830. I think will still be pretty okay. All right. So selling is possible. Okay. Right now selling is possible, but but you have to take note. You have to take note of the support level, which is very near. Okay. All right. So tentatively, I would say that in this hour, this gold trading is still hovering around. Okay. So you just need a little bit of patience. Okay. just wait for it to retrace with a new selling signal, then we go for it. All right. Okay. All right, Alan. Okay. So I think I think that's all. Okay. So over here, let's sum up for you, and let's see what do we have. Okay. So okay, so over here we have this Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, Euro yen, Euro dollar, Pound yen, Pound dollar, dollar franc, and dollar yen. Okay, I guess, oh wow, that's quite a lot, huh, today. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. All right, so what we are looking at now. Okay, so I'm going to wish all of you good luck in your trading with bountiful of profits, as well as a happy weekend. And today, for my live session, in the live trading session in the London hour, I will not be here. All right, so I shall see you next Monday. Right, next Monday. Okay. Okay, so yeah, coming along, Monday is also a holiday. All right, so just pay attention. 13th of June. Okay, so there'll be a Aussie holiday, so Aussie will be a bit low. So just be careful. Okay. All right. So come into the Euro and the US market to trade. Okay. We'll just skip the Aussie. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again.